like to start with the first question. Humbly.
Sure, please.
So, first and foremost, whatever sir has said, every single word is a fact. We are living proof, whether it is me, whether it is Bhushan Bhaiya, whether it is Bijaji, anyone who does business in Andhra Pradesh has seen it. 2 months ago, I had the pleasure of meeting sir for 5 minutes. I asked for, we spent 40 minutes. In that 40 minutes, till date, 33% of our largest company, 33% of the investment has been in Andhra Pradesh. After meeting sir, I stepped out and I told Dad that 50% plus is going to go to Andhra Pradesh no matter what happens. And I'm scared that when he meets sir, what is going to happen today. But, sir, what triggered this speed of doing business? You have executed it, but what caused that thought and how were you able to execute it this quickly?
See, no one ever asked me this question. It was Tata Sons chairman Chandra sir, where as soon as the government changed, Naidu ji in his true trademark said, Chandra ji, you have to be the co-chair of Andhra's economic growth model. So when Chandra sir came, so the Honorable Industries Minister received him and I was sending him off. So I got good 45 minutes to drive with him to the airport and I said, sir, as Tata Group, what are you looking for? He said, speed. I said, can you elaborate? He said, Lokesh, today we are investing, each project is $3, $5, $10 billion. And just imagine, because of regulatory red tape, if the project gets delayed by 6 months, a year, just the interest cost will kill that line. Simple. So if there's a great service you can do to the nation, do it by delivering on speed. And that was a clear message I got from Chandra sir. So from there we have built that capacity and we have internalized this and we have made it our mojo that was speed should be our focus. So whenever we talk to anyone, we say, how can we do better? How can we improve our performance? So we made it part of our DNA now, culture as a state. So when things take months, it actually hurts us. And then we've sensitized our collectors, sensitized the entire political system that speed matters and we need to deliver on it. So it was actually from the private sector that said speed is what matters and today we're able to deliver on it. Thank you.
First of all, let me share my experience in Andhra Pradesh. We had been in the state for almost more than 10 years. We have taken a old sick plant, we revived it, and close to 3,000 people are working in that company now. After the new government, and we had been following Chandrababu Naidu for almost years and years, because when people were not talking of the IT, tech, renewal, I think that was the story when our Honorable Chief Minister was speaking 10-15 years before. That time as well, I had a couple of meetings with him. It was a lovely meeting, but because of the change in the government and some change in the policies and all, we could not participate. But in last 3 months, I would love to share my experience. We have a flat steel division where the CEO, Mr. Uday, and my team is also here. They went to Andhra, they requested for the land, they requested for some policy, some incentives or some kind of concern what they had. Everything was through over the telephone. In 30 days, we were being able to close the land. In 45 days, we got an allotment letter. And I feel like, we are not working with any government, which is, as a entrepreneur, we have investment in almost more than 9-10 states. And we are working in multiple states. But the kind of spectacular response, drive, what I am seeing with this government, I feel like, we are working like a partner, not like a government. Sir, a big thank you, and I really feel very proud today to share this dais with you, your experience, and after meeting today in person with you, like I feel like I have personally become a big fan of you. Let me share this. Your humbleness, your kindness, your, the way, your touch, your Meadows touch, I would say, is something I can't, there is no word. Thank you once again. Thank you once again.